I showed you what it is to be a victim of a reason. I don't think they gon' let it go, cause they be getting exposed, 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 exposed.
What we doing here, my peeps? What are we doing here? They love New York, you heard? I love New York too. Come on, come on, come on. I saw you practicing, you fucking up, bro. You fucking up. Where's it at? Where's it at? Ah, right here, right here. That's $1 coin right there. What was you about to do? What you practicing, man? Let me see, let me see. Show my peeps what you got.
What I like doing?
Yeah.
Don't focus too much on that, cause
I got you. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Well, you have to show your talent, bro. Stop playing with us.
Dame el fuego, por favor.
What you need?
Fuego.
You need fire? Alright, you got it. You got it right there. Whenever you're ready. Yo, it's still $2 more on the floor, man. Don't be dropping out the morning like that. You got that? Right there.
They lined up. They lined up.
Alright.
This one was right there, right?
I gave it to you. Yeah, the one I gave you went over there. So you got them 3 right there. Let's see what he got, my baby. Let's see what he got. All right. What we got here? Huh?
Are you taking a picture of me?
It's not a picture.
Huh?
It's not a picture, it's a video.
A video? Why?
Yeah. Huh?
Why?
I do stories and I sell them and I rap.
So why are you recording here?
Huh?
Why are you recording here?
I can't hear you.
Why are you recording?
Why I'm recording? I'm doing a story.
Story of what?
Huh?
What story?
What's the story? I don't think I need to tell you. I'm gonna keep it to myself.
So what are you recording for?
Huh?
Why are you recording?
Why I'm recording?
Yeah.
Why are you recording?
I don't know. You look suspicious.
You too.
Blogging? You a blogger?
Huh?
You be blogging and shit?
Why?
I'm just asking. Just curious. You be blogging?
Why? What's he saying, my peeps? He's inviting us in? I hope so we can see the beauty, my peeps.
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
What happened?
I said, what are you doing? You heard me.
What am I doing? I heard you?
One, can you please help us get some baby milk? 2, can we borrow our arm? Can I borrow our arm?
Can you borrow an arm?
Yeah, one of them strong arms. Let me just get one of your arms. I'ma need it. You know what I'm saying? In case you try to beat me up.
Oh, shit.
Get some baby milk, man. Maybe you can help us, man. It's like $20 a can, but we ain't got nowhere near it, bro.
They all got three of them? 3 female?
I got five girls.
You got five girls?
These is the 3 that's See the honor,
God bless them, bro. God bless them, bro.
We from South Carolina. See the honor one from New York. Look at my mama, seen the pain in her eyes. Look at my mama, said, please don't cry, cry, cry. Whatever hurts you, mom, I'm sorry. I told my mama that I'm sorry.
Yo, what you filming me for?
Huh?
What you filming me for?
Excuse me?
What you filming me for?
Why you come to the camera? You don't want to be filmed?
No, bro.
So why you come to the camera, my G?
Yo, cause you was looking down as you was looking in. I thought you needed something.
Nah, I don't need nothing.
My big brother said check you out.
Check me out for what? Your big brother knows he's hell. Shout out. You heard the people's guy.
Okay, listen to me. Hold on, wait. Hold on, some guy take a picture of me.
It's not a picture.
Oh, it's not a picture? Damn. Anyways.
What's the filming for?
Excuse me?
What's the filming for? Get this.
Yo, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Why you touching me?
Don't speak.
Why you touching me?
Hey, listen.
Why you
Get that shit
touching
out-
me?
Get that shit out of my face, man.
What is wrong with you?
What's wrong with you? Get it out of my face.
Why you touching me?
I'm not touching you at all.
You just grabbed my arm.
Why are you?
Let's just take it easy. Are you from out of town? Are you in town? Or what are you doing?
I wouldn't like to share that information since
right.
I was just assaulted by one of your... What are you? You're his boss or something?
No, you don't have to. I'd appreciate though. if
You're
you
his
could-
boss?
No, I'm not his boss.
Are you security?
Yes.
And who is he? Who is he?
Who are you?
Excuse me?
Who are you?
I'm a member of the public.
This area inside here is private property.
Says who? Show me a sign.
It's open to the
Public.
building.
I'm not going in the building. I'm in the sidewalk.
Are you all right?
People's guys here.
Subscribe to his service. Work.
We gotta get them subscriptions up.
Get them subscriptions.
Get them vibes up.
I've been to jail 50 times, and 50 times I done do shit. Out of those 50 times, they gave me 50 deals of bullshit. And after all this happened, yeah, you see me, I'm fine. I had to start from zero more than 50 times.
Let me see that shit, man.
I'm from
Let
LA,
me see.
fool. I'm from LA.
Search that shit.
Ah, no
Right
shit.
there, right there. The first one. Subscribe to my shit.
Subscribe though. Subscribe.
We got you.
Let me see. Subscribe right there. Subscribe to my shit.
Already done. Oh.
I don't fuck with dirty cops, you heard?
I'ma turn you to a fan, listening to restitution. Music to break your neck. This is the new